Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel, still the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting spawning video, I'm going to show you guys the proper way on how to propagate zinnias. Zinnias are one of the easiest flowers out there to propagate. They're easy to grow, easy to root, and easy to take care of. So if you want to know all the information about zinnias, all the information on how to propagate them and get new plants for actually free without a cost, please stay tuned. Ultimate Gardeners, here I have a zinnia patch right here. All these zinnias come from the wonderful nursery New Turf. Each plant I bought was 99 cents, and so great deal, and so I snatched them all. And so we have a variety of colors, some unique colors, some simple colors, right up my alley. So coming in at number one is this salmonly pink zinnia. Super pretty. This is one of the ones we'll be propagating today. Another one is the classic yellow zinnia, which is another one we'll propagate today. Yellow zinnias for me are my favorite because they give such a happy vibe in the garden and give off so much good and happy, like how you say it, happy things in the garden. Just makes you want to smile every single time you want to come out. Another one we have is this vibrant orange one. We will not be propagating this one because I have a ton of them in this garden, and so I do not want any more of these. We have a classic white, which we will propagate today. We have a classic light pink, which we will propagate today. We have this very cool reddish pinkish one, which we will propagate today because this is the only plant I have of this one. And I think that's it for the entire thing. And so let's go ahead and jump right into the propagation. Ultimate Gardeners, the things you need to do propagation is you have to have a tray of some sort, whether it be a 6 count, a 16 count, it doesn't matter what it is. But I pre-filled it here and made holes already. But the main thing you need to have in order to root something is rooting hormone. Rooting hormone is the special formula that helps stems promote root growth and create an entirely different plant with it. And so you want to have some type of rooting formula. It doesn't have to be this exact one, but I've been using this for years and it's been doing magical things in the garden. The other thing you want to need is to have some type of pruners. These pruners are from Dram Gardening. They sent them to me. And so those are the only things you need to have, you guys. And so the first things first, we're going to go ahead and cut our zinnias. So let's go ahead and do that now. So Ultimate Gardeners, now it's time for me to tell you guys and teach you guys how to prepare your cuttings for propagation. There's a lot of things you have to consider when propagating because it's not easy to just dip rooting hormone and boom, pop it in soil and a new plant will grow. There's things you need to do in order for it to succeed. So here I have a pink zinnia right here, and so the main thing you have to do is you have to take out any new flowers or any flower buds forming. Flower buds and flowers carry a ton of energy, but you want that energy to be focused on and creating roots and more foliage growth so you can have a better, healthier plant for you can plant in your garden and not a little singular stemmed one. So the thing you want to do is, like right here we have a flower right here, so you want to cut it at base right there. And then here we don't have a bud forming right there, so we're good there. And so next thing is you want to remove any lower leaves or any new leaf growth that's coming out. So right here, if you can see that, that is the leaf growth right there. And so the thing you want to go ahead and do is take those off so you could have some type of way the rooting hormone can go into the stem, because you do have to do, or you have to create some type of wound in the stem for it to go ahead and have rooting hormone access to it and for it to start growing. So that's all you have to do in order to prepare your stem to propagate. So let's go ahead and move on to actual dipping it in the rooting hormone planting. Ultimate Gardeners, here I have the rooting the tray we're going to be rooting the zinnias in. And if you guys can see, I already dumped a little bit of rooting hormone in each hole so we could have a little bit more, you know, percentage for these growing. So the thing you want to do is get your cutting right here. You want to go ahead and dip it in the rooting hormone. Make sure it's nicely covered. Tap out any extra. Place it in your hole right there. And then you want to fill it back in with soil. Make sure to press it down so no air bubbles could be formed or left. And then you want to go ahead and repeat that for everything else. And then I'm going to show you guys how to water them and how to care for them. So ultimate gardener, the 6 count tray right here has been filled and prepped for all zinnia cuttings. And so now let's go ahead and show you guys how to properly water them and how to properly take care of them. So to me gardeners, here I have the 6 count tray. I'm keeping it underneath a little shaded thing right here because the cuttings need to be put in shade so the blastings really. So to me gardeners, here I have the 6 count tray and I put it underneath some shade right here because no cuttings could be put in full sun because they'll completely die off due to the shock of heat. And so here I have the rain wand right here from Dram Gardening. They were kind enough to send it out to me, so huge shout out to them. So just the thing you want to do is turn your hose on and lightly water them like that. Just like that. Make sure to give them good water and then stop. Because the thing right there is that you don't want to overwater so your roots don't get raw. If they fall over like that, that's fine. You could just prop them back up like I'm doing right here. But if they're wilting, for example, like that, it's completely fine because once they've taken that energy from that rooting hormone and that water, they'll completely jump right back in an instant. You'll go ahead and see, trust me. So let me go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys. So ultimate gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, today I showed you guys the proper way how to propagate your zinnias step by step and go through it and all of that. And so this is a video that is coming out on 4th of July. So happy 4th of July to every single one of you guys. I know this video won't be seen automatically due to the amount of multiple people spending time with their friends and family. And so if anybody's seeing this automatically today, thank you so much for watching this video, and go spend time with your family and friends because this is a moment to gather up on your family, spend time with them, and catch up on things. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out, just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.